Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I will show you how to insert a screenshot in MS Word 2013. Let's start now. First, open Microsoft Word document. Go to Insert menu. You can see there have a screenshot option. Take a screenshot. Quickly add a snapshot of any window that's open on your desktop to your document. Click screenshot, then screen clipping, and select area which then screenshot is automatically inserted in document area. You can see, go to insert menu, click here, then select area and take a screenshot. You can see screenshot is inserted in document area. So you can change picture style if you want. Then you can change picture style. There are many types of style. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.